As you can see, this package contains something really fat. I mean, just look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. I think this guy might be obese. I've been putting you on diet, but you've been nothing but fat and very naughty and very aggressive. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this tummy. Come on, man. Go on a diet. Look at this lazy face. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Why can't you be a more active cat? Instead, I get this one fat. Look at this. Look at this. Let's have a look. Oh my God. So fat. Come on, man. Come on, man. You're embarrassing me. And you're aggressive as hell. Oh my God. You must go on a diet.